asked me only to go. So, but I would love to do it. I would love to have that experience. I think that wo jo energy hoti hai, and imagine being in a stadium during an India-Pakistan match. I think that it would be madness. And I think that what you guys have done, Booking.com has done to make this feel is very, very cool. And so I'm getting a
So you'll stay here. You'll watch it here.
I'll go home. I'll go home to watch it because I get to be with my family. Or I'll call them here. I should call them.
Okay, center. First center. And one to the left, please. Yeah. We're done? Okay. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you very much. Shraddha, some solos, please. Yeah. Yeah, just. It's the official 2007 wala. The official hai. We can hold it up as we won. Acha ho jayega. We can use this later if we win, actually. Yeah, this is that 2007 cup that Dhoni actually won. Fantastic. Done? Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, yes. Thanks so much, Shraddha. Yes. Without, acha. Cricket bat. Yeah? Take bat, yeah. नहीं, bat and ball. Helmet नहीं यार, please. No, helmet नहीं. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Shot. Okay, Shraddha, take this ball and throw it at him. No, I'm just kidding. Bus. Thank you, Baba. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you. Okay, so acha, wait. So if you want, you can just do this and one leg forward and then like that. You want to do bus. Yeah. Just was my practice swing. First one practice swing on the side. Yeah. So you turn around and do practice. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you, Baba. Wonderful. Lunch is ready, gentlemen. Breakfast नहीं हुआ चलो lunch कर लेते हैं, है ना? Before I come into cricket.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And so nice to be here. Hi guys. Nice to see all of you. Nice to be here. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stay as disciplined as possible.
Not trying, it's working.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. And yes, I feel like I'm back on set after a really long time as well. So it feels so nice to be back on set. And it's so nice to be in a routine also, you know. I think during the lockdown, it was a little slow and it was so difficult for all of us. And so many people were very blessed. But it's nice to be back. It's nice to going back into normalcy. It's nice to even hit the gym. So it feels good.
And nice to see people.
Nice to
मेरे तो
see
आँख
people.
तरस गए थे लोगों को देखने के लिए. Ritu, why don't you come a little bit inside? Yeah. So we've got a little rapid fire, Shraddha, that we're going to do with you. And since it's Booking.com and since it's cricket also, first up, are you excited about today's match? I mean, I know everyone is, but like, how much are you going to watch? Like, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं that will watch the end overs, beginning overs. How much will you be able to watch of the match?
So I have to say that everyone is excited about today's match, right? Everyone is like, India. So that full feeling is there within me, within all of us. And at home, I think is going to be completely crazy. It's going to be crazy. Today, it's my day off also. So I get to be a part of, I get to be a part of this whole experience. I'm really looking forward to it. And all my patriotism is all up there today.
Yeah, we are all anti the other 11 players. Babar Azam, jaldi out ho jao. We only want that. Ritu, before I go into rapid fire with her, how much of a cricket chippu fan are you? In the sense that background में चल रहा होता है या foreground में चल रहा होता है या एकदम screen के सामने?
background type में चल होता है. But
Yeah.
we know that this country loves cricket.
Of course. हम सब इसके लिए तो आए हैं. Right, the rapid fire. Okay, so Shraddha, are you ready? I don't have the clock, so we're just gonna assume that you have to say it fast.
And I have to be very fast.
Yeah. Okay. Most liked thing about our Indian cricket team.
Super fast, no? One word? Okay. I love the...
No, you can give five.
I can give five words?
Yeah.
Okay. I love the togetherness, the unity, and I think I love the unity. I think that's amazing.
There's no right or wrong answer. Fantastic. Okay. 3 destinations for everyone actually, but 3 destinations for you in your wish list for 21 ending and 22.
I've never been to Pondicherry. I would love to go to Pondicherry. I've never been there. I would love to. So one of my favorite places is Ladakh. I would can go back to it anytime. Love Goa also.
All within the country, I like it.
Yeah.
And Ladakh. by the
Also
way,
out of India also. I can
anywhere
say.
you can go. Now it's flights are open.
Yeah, flights are open.
Yeah.
Out of India, kaha pe? Oh.
We'll come to that. But by the way, you know, Ladakh there. The tour packages are amazing. Almost everyone I know has either been to Dubai or Ladakh. 2 countries जा रहे हैं. And third is Russia. So 3 जो options थे हमारे पास.
So I have been to Ladakh, but I've been there like many years back. So I wouldn't mind going again.
Yeah, so you might just find a lot of your friends there also because it's happening a lot. Okay, the travel goal for everyone. You know, everyone has like a goal. You're incredibly popular on social media and Instagram and all that. And you know how people say goals and hashtag. What's your travel goal? Do you really want to travel a lot or are you still going to be 50-50?
I've been waiting to travel and because I love traveling and booking.com gives such unique experiences. So, and I'm all about like having a unique experience, something new that I've experienced as well. So it's always, or rather I try to like go to a place I've never been to before. So I think New Year's maybe somewhere, you know, not been to before. Type.
That's some music to my ears.
New Year's
New Year's.
in a place where nobody's going to be there. So it is secluded. spot.
Matlab like,
Or you like public?
I've never been there. Like a place I've never visited before. Yeah.
So give me one name.
Wherever not.
You don't have to go there, but one place you've not been there. We would love-
Pondicherry, I would love, but I don't know if I want to go there for New Year's, but like a place I've not visited.
50-50. Little bit of action, little bit of peace.
Huh.
Okay, so obviously called cricket match today. Everyone's got like their big names. Player to watch out today for India Pakistan.
So I'm rooting for someone new. So I would say that Varun Chakravarti. I'm rooting for. I mean, everyone is a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Virat. I'm also a fan of Rohit Sharma, but I'm rooting for Varun Chakravarti.
I hope he gets those 2-3 wickets. I can't explain to you though, jo dard mehsoos hota hai, you know, if he doesn't take the wickets. Yeah. And we've actually been in it for the last 2 months. There's so much of IPL cricket also happening. So yeah. All right. Watching a match in the stadium. Now I have to ask this question. A, have you enjoyed the experience? B, more importantly, have you been there and watched it in a stadium? I mean, like that.
No, I have not. Okay, I have not, and I feel like that is something
Because
that